y'all. Good morning. Happy New Year 2025. I hope this year is a good year to me. Last year was shitty as hell. And yeah, so I hope 2025 is way better than last year was. And yeah, so today's January 1st. I'm about to say June. January 1st. And today is Carnival Day. You know, all the Christmas festivals and everything is coming to an end. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go see the parade later. I don't know what time. Oh, damn, this is why I hate wearing head ties. Cause don't line be here. But yeah, I don't know what time it ends. I don't care. Hopefully I can link up with my friend today. While we're down there trying to get some freaking service. So I'm about to shave. I'm about to use this. Shave my legs real quick. Because I changed my, you can't see because of the freaking lights. Let's go over here by the window. I changed my earrings, these two. My cousin gave me that she got off the TikTok shop. Like, I've been looking for what you call it? I guess you could say studs earrings. Is it gonna freaking focus? It's not. Okay. With these bags, because the other bags be coming off easily for me. So I wanted to try these for the longest, and I forgot like what video. I forgot if I saved the video on TikTok or not. So oh damn. So my cousin had some. So I'm just really in until I find gold ones. Yeah. I went to some jewelry store. It wasn't yesterday. I think it was Tuesday or I don't know, sometime this week. Last week, because we're in a new week. And I got me some jewelries to go back with. I always do that. Always gotta go back home with some new jewelries. Since I haven't been back, I think for 3 years, whatever, I don't even remember. I had to get some new ones, so when I wear those, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah, I got me some earrings. I got me a pendant for a necklace. I just got to get the necklace part. I don't know if I should get it down here. It was cheaper to get it down here or in the States. We'll figure that out. And yeah, I don't really wear bracelets like that. I have pairs, but like I don't really wear them like that. I don't really like bracelets. I'm a confusing, simple type of person. But like it has to be like a different type of bracelets that I will wear. So the ones that they sell down here, they make too much freaking noise. Like when like you move. Yeah, I don't got time for that. What did we do? We also went to the gift shop, like to buy souvenirs and stuff. So I bought a souvenir for my for my boyfriend for his birthday. Since I really didn't give him nothing for his birthday, Christmas, I just got him a shirt here. So yeah, and I bought one of my friends shot glass because they're fucking alcoholics. So yeah, my best friend, I showed her a picture of this necklace thingy, and I was like, when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, that would be perfect. Like we could get matching necklace. So I sent her a picture because I like to give people what they want. I like not give people what they don't want and then they feel some type of way, because that always happens to me. People giving me shit that I don't want, and it's like, yeah, it's literally gonna sit in the box and not be worn. So yeah, so I sent her a picture and she was like, yeah, she's with it, she likes it. So before we go back, we're going there again because I have to get stuff for myself. So yeah, I have to get her a matching necklace. She wants a shot glass too, and there's like other stuff like I want to get for myself. So when we gonna do that, I'm gonna bring y'all along obviously. I kind of want to ask my dad, and that's pretty much it. What I didn't record. We were supposed to go to the beach. I don't know if y'all seen that, but the lights just turned off. Is somebody telling me to shut up? Like, but yeah, we were supposed to go to the beach last week. We didn't. Hopefully we do this week because I low-key want to take some pictures because I haven't like took actual pictures since I got here. So yeah, I guess I'll hit y'all back when I'm like getting ready or when we're at the freaking carnival because my head is hurting. So I'm about to shave my legs real quick, do this freaking thing, and I'll call you back. Yeah. Very plain and simple. I think I'm bringing my camera this time because I don't have no storage on my damn phone. So we're bringing the camera. Hopefully I don't lose it, break it, anything. But I had to redo my hair because when I went to go get my hair done, she didn't do it properly. And I was pissed off, but yeah. This is coming off soon anyways, but super cute. Super simple. And yeah. My hair in a freaking ponytail makes my head mad fucking big. Which I hate, but whatever. These are the jewelries that I got. Y'all see I recorded when I was in the jewelry store. This is a necklace I got. I've been looking for a K necklace for the longest. Got one. And then I got these earrings. I probably gotta put it in this hole to like even it out, but we'll figure that out. And then I got some other stuff, but I'm gonna show y'all next time because we're going back to get more jewelry. Because I found these two rings that I like. I don't know if I told y'all, but yeah, I don't like how these tights look on me, but the booty been booty and lengthy. Like, look at that. Wait until I get back and I hit the gym though. But yeah, we finna leave. I'm taking you guys with me. Okay, Leon, let me talk to y'all. Where the sun at? Hold on. Hold on. The sun not really out, but whatever. Let me talk to y'all before they start playing their damn music again. This is why I haven't been recording, because music just be playing. And like I said before, I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So y'all probably wondering why is one of my eye like shinier than the other. I don't even remember the last thing I recorded. I think the last thing I recorded was for Vlogmas, was Carnival. Oh my fucking god, here we go. This is why I don't record, because every time I try to record, it's always some type of damn noise. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I think the last thing I recorded was Carnival, and that was 2 days ago. Last night was God, it's getting on my damn nerves. Last night was Last Lap. It's like when they redo Carnival, you know, all over again, whatever. I don't have time to replay this. So yeah, last night was Last Lap. I didn't want to go because I just didn't want to go. I already saw, like, you know, the bands and everything yesterday, Carnival Day. Why would I go watch it again? But whatever. I went. So yeah, last night was literally the icing of the fucking cake for this damn vacation. Like, I'm so over at this point. I want to go home. Like, just take me home. Like, I don't care. I want to go home. Like, when we got there, not even 10 minutes into the freaking thing, you know, people is drunk or whatever. I try to give them the benefit of the doubt because, you know, they drunk. They don't know what the hell they doing. But, like, damn, y'all be overdoing it sometimes. So, like, drinks was spilling on me. Just like, what the hell? And I'm wearing white. This is why I don't wear fucking white. Because it's always, like, it always happened. Like, it just always happened. Like, I'm just irritated. So yeah, people was just like spilling their drinks on me and everything, and I'm just like, what the hell, like. And then a fight freaking broke out in front of me. Like, my godfather, the bands was like so crowded, so like everybody was like pushing everybody. So like they was pushing me into other people, and like this lady freaking literally bumped into me. Like, she pushed me, and her freaking, those freaking metal cups that they be given at like Labor Day type thingies, whatever, when you're in the carnival things. Like, she had one of those big ass metal freaking bottles, and like like she like bumped into me, and like it hit my freaking lip. So like I'm here thinking, like, what the fuck? Like, my whole mouth was like burnt. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, my whole mouth was like hurting. Now my freaking lip is like, the top piece is like swollen because like when she bumped into me, like it hit my whole lip. That was just the fucking icing on the cake. Like, I was so over that night. And then I freaking woke up this morning with the cold in my eye. Don't know that's possible. Didn't know that was freaking possible. Like, I'm just over it. Like, I'm so over it. Like, 11 and I forgot the night. Plain simple. Yeah. My eye still hurts. y'all see what I'm talking about? Like, I'm so over it. Like, this is literally my eye open. Literally, my eye is fucking open. And this is literally it open. Like, I'm so mad. Yeah. Don't record. Good morning vlog. We're having a family day at the beach.
Mommy, you have it on video.
Okay, now Cassie, if I watch your video and I see this, I'm gonna choke you.
Okay, guys. Am I bathing still? We're about to go in the beach. I'm gonna have a lot of fun.
Just gonna put on my necklace today. It's gonna be my pig. I try not to do much makeup because of my eye, but yeah, whatever. We're just waiting for my mom to get ready. And then we're out of here. I don't even think I'm fixing my hair because it's already coming out over here. I don't got time. I'm about to charge this real quick so you get some juice for when I dip. So yeah, I'll probably call you guys back when y'all see my eye. Like, it's getting better, but this one is like starting to turn red. I think I have red eye, but whatever. My brother swear I got COVID because he has the red eye too. Like, dude be so for this whole trip, he been pissing me off. But yeah, big egghead. I'm over this hairstyle. Ready to go. But yeah, I'll call y'all guys back when we're doing something. But yeah.
The one with the how you cook it?
It's supposed to be like a screw thing.
I mean like this cooking around the pin. Like you ain't got near so you get it done. So you cook. Yeah, you're hungry with the money. How much is the earring? Earring 5. No. These are gift shops. You got only 4 bar. That's the only bar they got. Got nobody over there. I'm not telling you. I'm just going to not say that. And if you're so nice in St. Paul's? Anytime I see that car, I just put it up. No, I'm going to go more. Alright, thank you. We'll take some pictures. So, name is for your family, huh? Be careful when you walk on it.
Look how pretty.
Come down the bottom. Take a picture of him right here. Down here we used to go in the summer, but then like how we water things too much. It's something hard to come back from. you drop the piece in right on the hole. Oh, she vlogging. Wait, put it, she vlog. Take long to take one for two, you know? Yeah. Okay, go.
You're supposed to get up.
Jump. I thought you done gone into the car. Huh? I thought you done gone into the car.
We thought you were with them.
Over there, the guy thing. Watch for him. Make up the hammer. Oh, you get in it. Guess you don't want to start to slide the over. Give me a foot. Your foot getting out. You stack up with the shoe. I don't know why he know we're going to start out with the not the shoe.
You have to flip it over.
Flip it over there, she go up. The commission. This is terrible.
Wait, one go flash.
Okay, but me shoot on this side. I think I could come out on this side. I just get took where? Took left from where? After she down here. Down where? Where we went. Only two left. Two red one.
Take your time. Only more in the car. No more in the car.
Wow.
More in the car.
I want to take one here first. I don't have no more, just baby. I want to try now.
You pull it down, all I get in jail, you know. That's
Wow,
a jail, right?
wow.
That's easy. To break is a jail.
Okay, y'all. We got back home. Ooh. Sorry if my face is oily. I'm about to go shower and wash this off. We just got home, and tomorrow is our last official full day here. So yeah, today I just went and got little souvenirs and stuff, like the rest of little souvenirs that I got. When I get back home, I'll show you guys. But yeah, tomorrow we're going out to eat somewhere. I'm finally taking this off my hair. I'm probably gonna cut it tonight and then wash my hair in the morning. Yes, like I'm so sad we're leaving, but I'll be back in a couple months. So yeah, yeah, I will tell y'all everything that we're doing tomorrow. But I don't think we're doing much tomorrow. But yeah, I'm about to finish eating. Yeah. This whole trip I did try and vlog, but as I keep complaining, it was like too much, like they play like too much music out here. And like the copyrighted music and all that, I was not trying to get copyrighted for the music. Cause YouTube be doing their freaking big ones. Yeah, I'm just gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. And yes, I'm gonna be bringing my camera tomorrow. But yeah, but this hair literally have to come out because at the side you can like already see the colors are turning from like the hairspray. This was a cute little hairstyle. Maybe I'll do it again. But this is the fit for today. But yeah. Yeah, this light, I'm gonna put y'all over here. Cause that light, yeah. Oh, I'm starting to like this tripod, not gonna lie. We're taking out my makeup first. But I'm starting to like this tripod. It low-key be doing its thing. But I'm low-key ready to go back home though. Even though I don't want to leave here. And I had a good ass time while I was here. Besides my eye fucking up, but whatever. I've recorded and hopefully tomorrow do the job. Hour and 30 minutes. This top I'm gonna cut. Oh no. OOTN. Let me actually come closer. Oh.
A family eat along.
a suitcase. Like, what? Be so for real. I'm tired. Hey y'all, I'm back. We made it back to New York, safe and sound. So yeah, we got home like an hour ago. So I'm about to wash my face real quick, and I'm hitting the bed. I was gonna play some Sims because I haven't played in 3 weeks. But that's for tomorrow, that's for another day. So this is the end of this travel vlog. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna record, like, vlog anymore. Because I kind of want to take a break. Because, like, y'all don't even be engaging. Which is, that's for a whole different story. But yeah, I might take a break. Probably like a month or 2 break from recording. And just recording TikTok before they banned it for real. So yeah, so I'm thinking about if I don't take the break, if I should, what you call it? Oh, brain fart. If I should continue with the monthly diaries, or if I should do like weekly diaries, vlog weekly. But like y'all don't engage enough, so it's like I don't really know what y'all be enjoying. So if I do continue, if I don't take my break, I'll do like a monthly, the monthly vlog, and then January, the rest of January, and then February I'll vlog weekly, and like I will see like what I feel like I should do best, since y'all don't be telling me what y'all be wanting. But yeah. Ooh, I forgot that was okay. I gotta do that tomorrow. So yeah. And then March, I would think about like what I want to do. But yeah, we'll see. Ooh, we'll see what's up tomorrow. Dang, bro. We'll see what's up tomorrow. I'm about to eat and hit the bed because yeah.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shorty so bad.